Leetcode weekly context for 466 Q1 minimum operations to equalize array. So we want to make all the elements in the array to be equal and to replace the bitwise n of all elements. So no matter what the bitwise n is, we can always pick left is 0 and right n, so we can cover all the array, the whole array. We replace with the same number, so they will be equal. The only case will be if they are already equal, then there's no operation needed. So the only possible answer will be 0 or 1, which means when all the elements in the array are equal, then the result is 0. Otherwise, the result will be 1.